Well, let's talk about the AI tool that can help take your business to the next level. With our sponsored AI tool, Panda72. With this tool, you don't have to worry about hiring someone to promote your products or even finding a video editor. Panda72 allows you to select an avatar to promote your products, and it automatically edits your videos for you. Imagine how much time and money you'll save by letting AI handle your marketing content. If you're ready to boost your business with AI, keep watching because I'll show you how to get started with Panda72 and the steps you can take to grow your income. Panda72 seems like a versatile AI video generation tool tailored for an e-commerce sellers and influencers, especially those promoting products on the platforms like Amazon. With a straightforward step-by-step process, users can create personalized marketing videos with a